All right, we have up here some fascia that's rotten. Got Dr. Jones ripping off that section of it. If you look really close, ooh, you can see there's just a hole right in there. So we're gonna be taking off this fascia. The roof's in decent shape. Obviously, you know, we like to roof, but if the roof ain't bad, you know, it is what it is. So water's been coming down here. It's a wood fascia. Oftentimes you have aluminum fascia. You have one that comes in here and overlaps, and then the other one overlaps that, or comes in and bends, and then the other aluminum overlaps that. So when water comes down, it stays outside and falls down. Or you have a gutter on, but there's no gutter here. And so what we're doing is we're taking off all this wood, and then we're gonna simply replace the wood, and then the homeowner's having it painted. So it's a HOA where you have to have wood facing the road. So that's what we're doing. And we'll show you the finished product. All right, we got it put on. We still need to do some caulking on these little transitions. We already got that guy caulked. We'll smooth it off and then caulk any nail heads. But yeah, sure enough, the boards were a bit rotted in the back, so we had to do a little bit of replacement and then put in weather seal. And it's looking good. Excited. Kind of side gig work for a roofer, but it's some jobs no one else wants to do. And if you've done a lot of it in your life, then you're the guy to do it. So there we go.